Hola, and welcome aboard our spectacular new AmaSintra, one of the three 80-meter ships that cruise Portugal's breathtaking Douro River. Welcoming just 102 guests on board, this intimate ship is a wonderful way to take in the stunning vineyards and charming towns of Port Country. You will embark AmaSintra on the Porto deck, where there will always be a friendly crew member ready and waiting to help you at our reception desk. Just past the reception desk, toward the bow of the ship, it's our main lounge, the central gathering place of the ship. You will meet here for safety briefings, lecture, sip and sail cocktail hours and nightly entertainment. The Porto deck also holds AmaSintra Category A and Category C staterooms. As well as a luxurious suites. Beneath the Porto deck, it's our Lisbon deck, where you can find a fitness room just beneath reception. Towards the bow of the ship, it's our main restaurant, where you will be treated to delicious breakfast, lunch and dinner throughout your journey. Towards the aft of the ship, on the Porto deck are our Category B staterooms. One level down from the Lisbon deck, it's our Douro deck, home to our spa, where you may treat yourself to a number of relaxing massage services. The Douro deck is also home to our Category D and E staterooms. The Sun deck is the top level of the ship and features a heated swimming pool as well as plenty of seating for you to sit back and enjoy the incredible views as we glide along the Douro. Thank you for joining me today for our tour of the incredible AmaSintra. We hope to welcome you and your loved ones on board for one of our unforgettable Douro River cruise very soon. Espero ver-te em breve.